Good day, my name is Richard and a warm welcome to Tutoring with Richard, where we cover the South African school syllabus and nature topics. If you would like to help grow this channel, consider supporting me on PayPal, Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee. Links in the description box below. Today we're going to cover Power Machines in 6. The topic of this tutorial is steam and its formation. We are doing question 2.1. The question is included in the video. We have been asked to issue a cautionary note. When doing these questions, please use the method I'm going to show you, as this is the method that is marked correct. Using your own method to answer questions could cost you marks even though your method and answer might be right. See the cautionary note at the beginning of the video. On a side note, watch until the end of the video. If you watch only the first 5 minutes, you will not gain a full understanding of what you need to do. There is no quick fix in Power Machines. It takes persistence, discipline and repetition. You have to use these steps in order to succeed. Let's get straight into it. The first question we need to ask ourselves is, what is steam? Steam is the formation of gas from heated water. It goes in 3 stages. The first stage is liquid enthalpy, which is basically heating up water until it just starts to reach saturation temperature. So, our symbols for saturated temperature are, so first we have TS, which is our saturation temperature. Next, we have to reach that saturation temperature. At the point of temperature saturation, we have liquid enthalpy, which is HF. So this is liquid in liquid enthalpy. Stage 2 is steam will form at this temperature of saturation. Steam will form, which is the enthalpy. Now next we are going to look at the enthalpy of evaporation. So that's HFG. The enthalpy of evaporation. So this is where liquid water turns into wet steam. At this stage it is considered wet steam. The next stage is stage 3, when you further heat the steam, then it becomes superheated steam. So H, soup, is super heated steam. Or we can say super heat enthalpy. These here are interchangeable. These two are interchangeable. Now all of this happens at a constant pressure. The pressure does not change. Now we're going to look at the enthalpy tables and what you need to look at when doing these problems that I'll be showing you. First thing we need to realize is that our steam tables are done in a certain order. So, first thing we look at is pressure, which is measured in, this is number 1, pressure is measured in kPa. It's measured in kilopascals. The next one we look at is number 2, TS. That is saturation temperature. And that is at degree C. The next one we look at is number 4, which is HF. Now I've included the steam table in the video. This is liquid enthalpy. This is in kilojoules per kg. Then we do number 5, which is HFG. This is our enthalpy of evaporation. So, kilojoules per kg. And then the last one that we look at in our steam tables is Hg. And that is our enthalpy of dry saturated steam, also measured in kilojoules per kg. These are the main things you will always be looking at in your steam tables when you're working with steam tables. Now I'll show you how to apply the steam tables to a problem. Question 2.1 states, question 2.1 states, determine the specific liquid enthalpy, specific enthalpy of evaporation and specific enthalpy of dry saturated steam at 500 kPa from the tables. So A, we are looking for HF. HF at 500 kPa is 640. B is HFG, which is our specific enthalpy of evaporation, which is 2107. And let's not forget our units, kilojoules per kg, kilojoules per kg. And now they want us to find the specific enthalpy of dry steam. So C is Hg. Now Hg can be found in one of 2 ways. One, you can add these two together. So you can add HF plus HFG, or you can just look at the steam table. But in any case, this one will be, we add these two together, we have 2747 kilojoules per kg, which is Hg. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. It helps to grow the channel. Positive feedback is most welcome. If you would like more videos like this, consider supporting me on PayPal, Patreon, or Buy Me a Coffee. Links in the description box below. Be at peace, be kind to each other, and remember, passing well is achievable. Have a great day, looking forward to seeing you in the next video.